Assalamu alaikum. 7th class is 7th ladder and lesson number 8 in the time of dot. Dot means students Hushak Sali, and in this lesson we have to read about the message of the hope that we should keep our hope in the even in the time of the crisis. Crisis means बुरे हालात में भी जब कोई सिचुएशन हमें नज़र नहीं आ रही होती उम्मीद की, तो उन हालात में भी हमें जो उम्मीद का दामन है वो थाम कर रखना चाहिए. And in this lesson we'll read about the importance of water, and we also study that water is precious and we should save it. And we also study that what is the value of water in the time of the drought, and what type of the situation having no water on the earth, what is the situation of the animals and in the fields and of the human beings as well, and the other insects living on the earth. Students, mainly in this lesson will just read about the situation which we have to face during the difficult times. It means we will have to face the drought having no water, and we'll just talk about the situation of the drought. And there is not any main character in this poem. It means the poet just give the references about the characters like cows, seas of the tropes, and then Andes, and the soft snow on the Himalayas head, and such type of the references he uses in the poem to clarify his main theme or the main idea. But there is not any main character. For example, we have any character of the person or place that plays a very important role in the story of the poem. Students, the poet just wants to convey the main message of the theme having no water on the earth. Let's discuss the main idea of this poem, written by Mary Henry Ford. By seeing this picture you can also get the idea that what are we about to read about the poem. So let's start. In this poem, the poet describes a situation and difficult time which the poor people have to face due to the starvation of food and water. It means कि पानी की कमी में जो लोग होते हैं, गरीब लोग होते हैं, उनको ज़्यादा फेस करना पड़ता है. अमीर तो है जो किसी तरह से खरीद भी लेते हैं, लेकिन गरीबों के पास इतने रिसोर्सेज नहीं होते. दे हैव नॉट द सफिशेंट रिसोर्सेज टू फुलफिल देयर बेसिक नीड्स. सो दैट्स वाई the poor people face a lot rather than the rich people. And then the poet illustrates on the very bitter reality of life, that in spite of this thing that the rivers are full of water, but there is not any single drop of water for the human beings, and animals are also facing the drought. As you can see in this picture that here is a lot of water, there is a plenty of water, and as we have a lot of water in our rivers, but despite this thing the human beings and the animals are not allowed to take a single sip from these rivers. So this is the very poor condition that the human beings are not giving the permission to the other human beings to fulfill their basic needs regarding the water. And then the poet, the basic thing due to which the human being have to face the drought is that the non-serious behavior of the people, that they waste water and create the tough circumstances not only for themselves but also for the other creature. It means when they waste the water without any purpose and without any need, so this situation or this non-serious behavior creates the crucial circumstances or situation not for just their selves. मतलब कि उनके लिए ही सिर्फ वो सिचुएशन जो है वो टफ क्रिएट नहीं करता उनका नॉन सीरियस बिहेवियर, जब वो पानी को बिला वजह जो है ज़ाया करते हैं. एज वी ऑब्जर्व और एसेस इन आवर होम्स without any purpose, we just open the tap and then continuously we waste the water. So students, due to this nonsense behavior, the situation becomes very crucial, and this situation we have to face, like you are saying, the lands and the fields become infertile and they are not able to grow anything. Students, as we have read or talked about the main idea or the theme of the poem, let's study the difficult word meanings of the poem in the time of the drought. First word is rushes. It means haste, जल्दी में, dying, ending, डूबता हुआ या तबाह होता हुआ. Pine, type of the tree, snowbird का दरख्त है. Thy, yours, and this is the old language. In the old language we used to say thy. Fraud, it means enjoying oneself, मज़ा करना. Sown, planted with seed, बीज के ज़रिए बोना. Dews, wet with dews, it means a little drop of the water that we see on the plants or the trees on the morning. शबनम के नन्हे कतरे, shed pour, अंडेलना किसी चीज़ में. Fleet, group of the ship, जो जहाज, समुद्री जो बहरी जहाज होते हैं उनका एक जो ग्रुप है, that is called fleet. Gravel, small stones and pebbles, means छोटे छोटे पत्थर और कंकरियाँ. Fat meal, खाना. Winnow, to separate, separate करना किसी चीज़ को अलग करना. Miners, one who works in a mine. It means a person that works in a mine. Mine means कोई कान. Faints, weak, कमज़ोर या मदहोश फील करना अपने आप को. Neath, अंडर, नीचे. Rough, raw. खुरा, खुरदरा और या बुरा. And this mountain range, समंदरी पहाड़ी इलाकों का जो सिलसिला है, that is called slope, slide of hill. पहाड़ी की चट्टान. Winged, able to fly, उड़ने के काबिल. Students, I hope that your concept about the theme and the difficult word meanings is clear. So let's start the reading, that how to read. The rushes are black by the river bed, and the sheep and the cattle stand wistful-eyed where the water were, in a waste of gravel and sand. Students, in this way you have to read the remaining stanzas, and in the next lecture we'll start our comprehension and we'll talk about the answer questions and reference context as well and grammatical concepts. Till then, Allah Hafiz.